Hello guys, welcome back to my channel All That Beauty Needs. Today I am going to share with you a mask which is useful both for your body and your face for removal of suntan. Let's look at the ingredients which you will easily find in your kitchen. First ingredient is besan, which is also known as gram flour. Besan is good exfoliator to remove the dead skin cells all over your body. It also removes excess sebum and dirt. The zinc in the gram flour can fight infections that causes acne. The second ingredient we are using is curd. Curd is full of good bacteria that helps your skin to glow by nourishing it from within. Curd is full of protein, calcium and vitamin D. It helps improve skin complexion. Its anti-inflammatory properties aids in reducing acne. The last ingredient which we require is turmeric. Turmeric is well known for its antibacterial properties. The bleaching properties of turmeric can help treat skin pigmentation. Now let's prepare the mask. Take one bowl, to which add 1 tablespoon of curd, then add a pinch of turmeric powder. Then I am going to add 1 tablespoon of besan. Now mix all the ingredients pretty well to make a smooth consistency as shown in the video. The mask should be quite thick as we are going to scrub our skin with it. With the help of fingers, apply this mask to your face or body. I am using this mask on back of my palm to show in the video. Make sure you are scrubbing it really well on your body so that all the dead skin cells are removed. Now leave this mask for 15-20 minutes to dry. Once this mask is dried, rub it once again. If the mask is too hard, moisten your fingers and rub. Then wash it with normal water. And here are the results. You will feel the difference from its first application only. Please use this mask and let me know in the comment section how it worked for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like my videos, please hit that like button.